Hi everyone, Gemma here, thanks for watching today. So I've just had a delivery of magazines and I thought I'd jump on just to show you the latest issue of Papercraft Essentials. So I'll just open this up and we'll take a look. So looking at the packaging, we've got 81 luxury makes, exclusive honeycomb card making kit, 20% off craft stash. So let's take a look at the exclusive gift. So this is called A Step into Spring. It's a honeycomb card making kit. It has 191 elements. We can see an indication there on the front of what it includes. So the contents are 135 die cut toppers, 42 foiled die cut toppers, 6 pattern papers, 6 honeycomb shapes, acetate, sequins and more. Then on the back there are 16 papers to download. So you can head over to Craft World to download those. So you've got some really nice gingham and polka dots there in bright spring colours. So inside we've got this front cover sheet and we've got the honeycomb pieces there and the gold sequins. I think if you carefully peel that off, you should be able to fussy cut that bunny on the front there, and you could also use this background paper. So we've got a sheet of acetate, don't know if you can see that, and then we've got the duck, the lamb and the bunny. Such sweet images. I really like the colour palette on this as well. You've got loads of elements there, the Easter eggs, the flowers, the butterflies, carrot. So you've got 2 of those, and then we've got similar images, the elements are slightly different. Again, 2 of those. On this one we've got different flowers, birds, butterflies. Then we've got the sheet of Easter eggs with a number of sentiments. We've got Happy Easter, Happy Birthday, for someone special, Hello Friend, Some Bunny Loves You. That's really cute. And you've got all the different colours and white as well. Then we've got some different elements here. So we've got the basket, the Easter egg with the bunny ears, watering can there, the chick holding an egg, some grass. Then we've got a sheet of Easter eggs in the gingham print and polka dots, so this will match the downloaded papers. Then we've got these gold foiled elements. So we've got Happy Easter, Happy Birthday, Sending Love, Hello Friend. The lamb there on the front is really cute. I love the bow. Then you've got the hearts. So then you've got a similar topper sheet there, but slightly different elements again in the gold foiling. And then we've got some printed papers. So we've got the gingham, this pattern paper here, this is a really nice one. Another gingham in yellow, some more florals. This is a really nice colour palette. And then we've got more flowers. That's a really sweet pattern paper design. So that's the exclusive card kit. I think it's such a lovely collection of items in there, and I can't wait to start using this on my Easter makes. So let's take a look at the magazine. So this is issue 222. You have 143 essential hints and tips for you to try, 16 projects using the exclusive kit. So we're just going to have a quick flick through, and anything that catches my eye we'll just have a little look at. So we didn't have to turn far before we see some inspiration used in the collection. So these are by Katie Skelton. Some really nice cards there. Just hold it up so you can see it in more detail. And obviously as you turn over, you have your step-by-step guides to recreate those if you wish. Then we've got some more cards used in the kit. I really like this bunny scene one, and the clowns look really effective. Then we've got some gift ideas using the exclusive kit. I saw a preview of this on Craft World and I thought it was such a fun project to make, and it's given me an idea for a future project. Then we've got some masculine makes from Marta, again using the kit. I think the DL card there is such a cute card. So you've got the eggs and the bow tie. Great for maybe a teenage make. Then we've got some inspiration from Sam Calcott from Made to Surprise. These images, these stamps are so fun, and I really like this set. It has some lovely images. This is a Sweets and Treats collection and baked goods. They're no longer available in a physical stamp, but you can get them in a digital download, which is available over on Craft Stash. And this donut card is so sweet, I love it. Then lastly, we have a sneak peek on what's to come next in Papercraft Essentials. So issue 223 will be on sale on the 16th of March, and it comes with a complete card making kit, 74 pieces, and as it says, it's perfect for beginners. So that's everything included in Papercraft Essential issue 223, now on sale over on Craft Stash, and you'll also be able to pick it up in your local supermarkets. I have linked the magazine in the description box below. To find that, click on the More button or the drop down arrow, and it'll have all the information that you need. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, you might want to hit the like button, leave a comment, or consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. I look forward to using this kit in my upcoming tutorials and sharing that with you. I'll also be doing more magazine content so you can see what's included within the latest issue. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!